You'll see these words, scale factor, and also you'll see a center. Let's go scale factor. What do you think that tells us, Lanny?
How many sizes bigger it is?
Yeah, so if the triangle has a base of 2, the original, the image will now have a base of 4. So it'll be just twice as big. The triangle should be twice as big. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw in my triangle, and I'm going to plot my center. I'm going to figure out then how to make it twice as big and where it's going to be twice as big. So minus 4 on the x, I'm drawing this first point. Minus 4 on the x is here. Minus 3 on the y is down here somewhere. So that's that first point. Minus 1, minus 3. Minus 1, minus 3 is here. And minus 4 on the x, minus 1. So it should be looking like this. Right, so this is my original. That's not great, but that's my original. And also a center of minus 5, minus 5. Minus 5, minus 5 is down here. Okay, so the center is given to you in the question. The triangle will be given to you in the question, but now you have to draw where the image will be. Now, if you think about it, this is all about distances. Imagine the center is a bit like the projector, and the image is and the object are projector screens. The object is just a closer projector screen than the image. Think about that. So the closer the object is, the smaller it's going to be, maybe. And the further away, the larger it's going to be if this was the projector. So think about this projector screen. If I move closer, if I move this closer, the projector will get smaller and smaller. Eventually, if I just put my hand up in front of the projector screen, this would be all on my hand, wouldn't it be? Yeah? So the further away, the bigger in size. So that's kind of what we use here. We use distances. So let's just get a ruler out. Now, I know because you're secondary school students, you won't have a ruler, most of you. But you will need a ruler for this geometry unit, so get one. And no, you can't borrow them off me. Casper, what are you doing?
Just getting an eraser.
Okay. And I'm going to look at all 3 corners, vertices of this shape. I'm going to look at them all. I'm going to first of all look at the distance from this center to there. So I'm looking at this distance here. This distance here. Now on my ruler, that's a distance of 15 centimeters. Now my scale factor is 2. So the image corner is going to be twice that distance away. It's going to be another 15 centimeters or 30 centimeters in total from the start. That's the important thing. You double the distances. So 15 centimeters, now I need to go to 30 centimeters. Double the distance. So I need a bit longer ruler. And we are around here. Okay, so maybe you can see that this distance here has been doubled. We've added it on again. So this was 15 centimeters, and we've gone 15 centimeters further along. Double the distance. Scale factor 2, double the distance. In the same direction from the center. So this is going to create like a 3D type diagram. It might look a little bit 3D. It's given in the question. It's written. All right, so I do that for all points. Let's look at this closer point here. I measure my distance, make sure my ruler is orientated correctly. So this distance, I'm looking at this short one here, is 6 centimeters, so its image is going to be 12 centimeters away. Double that distance. Whoa. Around here. Okay? So that's double the distance away. And we got 2 of the points done. So the new base of the triangle, if I put my ruler between, is there. And that should be double that distance. And it's about double. And I just need one more point to do. That's this one. So I look at its distance away. It is 13 centimeters on my ruler. It'll be less on yours. 13 centimeters. And then I go another 13 centimeters up here. Whoop. And that distance doubled as well. And now I join the dots. Hopefully you have a ruler. I know I didn't use it for the first one. I forgot. join those up, and then we have our diagonal here. Oh. And we have that new image that's twice as big, or should be twice as big anyway. So what did I do?